Most new YouTubers think they need to get the fancy camera, get the fancy editing software, and a ton of subscriptions to get started making videos. But the reality is that couldn't be further from the truth. And today I'm going to give you 5 free tools that you probably already have access to so that you can start making high quality videos for your YouTube channel. Let's dive into it. Tool number 1, you can get started today with simply just your iPhone. That's right. You don't need to buy any fancy $300 or $500 camera. You can get started today with simply your phone. And if you want to spend money on something, spend money on getting a good tripod or a good ring light to go with your phone to enhance your videos a little bit, or even spend money on maybe getting a separate microphone. But you don't even have to start with that. You can simply just start with your phone and start creating videos to get into the rhythm and the habit. Don't buy a camera right away. Start with your phone. Tool number 2, do you want free music? Well, then you need to use a site like StreamBeat. StreamBeat has a wide variety of license-free music that you can use in your YouTube videos or even in your streams. This was made by a YouTuber himself who wanted to help other YouTubers with copyright-free music, and they make it easily downloadable for you on their website. Go and check it out. Tool number 3, do you need free B-roll footage? Well, guess what? Pexels.com is a great place for B-roll. It's actually where I got all the B-roll for this video and where I tend to get a majority of my B-roll for any other video that I do. It's an amazing free site that you can use to elevate your videos and not just have a talking headshot with nothing else happening on screen. Tool number 4 is Mixkit.com. Mixkit.com also has great stock footage, great sound elements for you to use, and on top of that, great Premiere Pro project templates and other project templates for you to use in your editing software. Go and check it out. And then last but not least, do you need free editing software? Well, you can use a program like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve to make videos incredibly quick. I know CapCut might seem a little bit out there because it's a TikTok created thing, but I promise you it is incredibly good for brand new video editors. You don't need the fanciest software as a brand new YouTuber when you're just getting started. You just need something that gets the job done. And CapCut will do just that. It's very user-friendly. It's very easy to hop in and get done. And it's very easy to make those videos quick, which as a new YouTuber, that's the goal. Make new videos quick, get into the rhythm of creating videos, and get 1% better with each one so that you can grow your audience and your brand. Hey, if you found this video helpful at all, do me a favor and go ahead and click this video right here so that you can keep learning.